Hi everyone, my name is Tyler Pedros and I'm here to show you my implementation of CS50AI problem called Tic-Tac-Toe. In this problem, the goal is to use Minimax to implement an AI to play Tic-Tac-Toe optimally. So I'm going to start showing you this running. I'm going to play as X, and as X I take the first movement, so the computer takes the second movement and so on. As you can see, he's trying to beat me, or at least not letting me win the game. Now I'm going to play as O, so he takes the first action and I take the second action and so on. So he beat me. X wins this one. Playing again. He taking the first movement. And if you pay attention, you can see that the first play of the computer takes a little longer than the others plays. That's because in the first play, he has to evaluate all 9 possible actions. And in here, the action is just the player play, like choosing this or that square in the game. And I'm going to explain a little bit more about that. So the functions that were implemented in this game was these functions. The first function is the player function that takes a board as input and return which player's turn it is, just if it's X turn or O turn. The actions function is a very important function that should return a set of all possible actions that can be taken on a given board. This means that he returns all 9 possible actions when the computer is the first. So that's why he takes a little longer in this first run of the algorithm Minimax. The result function takes a board and an action as input and return a new board state, and it's very important without modifying the original board. This result function is the function that Minimax will use to evaluate all possible actions and choose the best interest for the computer, for the min or the max according to which player the computer is. If he's X player, he's going to try to maximize the result. If he's the O player, he's going to try to minimax the result. The winner function just take a board as input and return the winner if there's one. He checks horizontally, vertically and diagonally to check the winner if there's one. The terminal function accepts a board as input and return a boolean value indicating whether the game is over or not. The utility function should accept a terminal board as input and return. If the X has won the game, he returns 1. If O has won the game, he returns -1. And if it's a tie, he returns 0. And now Minimax, it's the heart function of this algorithm. Here, this function takes the board as input and returns the optimal move for the player to move on that board. For example, if the computer is the O player, he's going to minimize and take the action that of all possible actions that produces the smallest value of the actions that max player probably going to play. So the max player is going to do exactly opposite of that. And that's how Minimax works. I hope you like it. Bye.